Robert Greene said, the most important currency in the world is an idea. Tonight, I would like to introduce you to an idea that's as powerful as anything that was created by Steve Jobs, by Mark Zuckerberg, or by Elon Musk, and that idea is light. Over the course of time and since the dawn of civilization, there's been what I consider to be 3 revolutionary changes in light. And the first would be fire. Second would be Thomas Edison and the invention and commercialization of the light bulb. And the third revolution in light would be the invention of the LED light in the 1960s and the commercialization of the LED light in the 1980s. But tonight I want to introduce you to the 4th revolution in light, and that's the Nairobi Lighting System and the inventor, Justin Evans.
Thank you, Mark. My name is Justin Eugene Evans. The first technology that we were able to perfect, we now call Nairobi. It is the most powerful, the most versatile, and the only digitally controlled industrial lighting platform in the world. Let me show you a little bit about what Nairobi can do. This is our base entry model. It's a 300-watt Nairobi standard. It's a 6-inch cube, and it weighs about 9 pounds. It's capable of illuminating half an acre. It operates off 300 watts, and the retail price will be about $1,500 US. With this system, we've actually lit a 33-story building in downtown Taipei as its initial test, and we lit it from the base. The light coming out of the device behaves the way that the sun does. So you can see right now, edge to edge, how much territory we're covering with just this one. We're actually illuminating the rock. The beam of light is just even from edge to edge. If you look at your shadows or you look at the quality of the light, it's indistinguishable from sunlight. What's coming out of the device is more than just brightness itself. There's 4 parts to a Nairobi lighting system. First part is the primary device itself, and it comes in 3 different versions: Nairobi, Nairobi Pro, and Nairobi Ultra. The second part we call light discs. And these are interchangeable copper wafers that we can put any type of LED, and that allows us to design, for the first time in history, highly customizable light field. All it takes to change from one light field to another is a magnetic snap. Our light discs allow the device to actually behave like the sun. We could create military-grade IR or agriculture light, very specific light fields for the film industry. 3-channel lights, allowing you to control red, green, and blue independently. UVA, UVB, and UVC, which are used for a variety of medical purposes. One of these lights will completely transform the bow fishing industry. Just keep switching discs, and every single time you do, you penetrate a new market. So with red, there's a variety of uses. There's uses for doctors. We know that it accelerates wound healing. Once one can switch effortlessly between frequencies of light, you can get into just about anything. The one that's most useful in almost any industry is daylight. We believe that this technology will change the way the human race will feed itself, will sterilize water, will sterilize air, will prevent the next pandemic. The third part of the system we call Nairobi Control. That's the custom app that we've designed to control not just one Nairobi, but an incredibly large array of Nairobis. It uses a form of Bluetooth known as BLE mesh. We're one of the first companies in the world to master BLE mesh. This is not standard Bluetooth. It operates on frequencies above the Bluetooth spectrum so that we can operate in extremely noisy environments. The app itself updates the submenu according to which light disc is snapped into the system. The controls for a UVC light disc that is all about medical grade sterilization are very different than the controls that are needed for a cinematographer working on a Hollywood movie. The last part of the 4-part system are accessories. So we've developed about 30 different accessories for the Nairobi system already. Personally, I think my favorite accessory is a bull bar mount that mounts effortlessly onto a Ford F-150. The tech is done. I can demo the tech to anyone, anywhere, at any time. If there's a use for industrial lighting, come to us, join our team, and help us spread the message of Nairobi so that we can use this technology to make the world a better place.